All right, so let's go over opening up a document and versioning it. Because versioning, big part of a legal DMS is it has the ability to version documents. So I want to open up Smith Lindsay NDA. I'm going to click on it. It is going to automatically just open up on my computer. There's the document. I want to create a version. If I don't, like if I don't care about creating a version, I just hit save. It still says version 1. But if I make some massive changes or I have multiple people working on the document, we will click Save As. NetDocs auto pops up. I'm going to come over here. Let's give a version name for this. We'll call this Client Changes. And I'm going to put in here removed paragraph. All right, this just tells us why. This is really good to do. You're not forced to do it, but I encourage people to do it. I mean, and I'll tell you what, your paralegals are going to love it because they know why is there a document. This could be version 2, or I could subversion it as 1.1. I don't want to get into that right now. I just want to let you know NetDocs has that. So let's hit save now. Clicked on a document here. All right, there is a number 2 here now, letting us know there are 2 versions. So when you're just looking at the system, you see that there's version 1, there's version 2, tells you who created it, there are the comments, the names, everything. So it's perfect. I mean, that's the ability to do versioning here. Version, I don't know if there's a version limit in Clio. Let's just say there's not. Version limit in NetDocs is 32,000. So let's just say it's unlimited. All right, let's go to Clio and do the same thing. Now, if I want to open this up, there must be something wrong, and I don't want to there, so let's do it this way. Let's open up the drive here. Let's open up a name because I can launch it this way, and it will open up the document on my computer. All right. So here are some changes, and now I can hit save, and it will go back in there. But there is no option to do the versioning. Now, I'm not saying it doesn't do versioning because it does. There's just not an option. So if we come over to view here, here's version 2 was uploaded. So what Clio is doing, it is versioning every single time you make a change to the document. And then you're seeing it in there. Now, if we come over here to, let's see if we can come over here. Let's go to version 1. I don't know why it's taking so long to open up. Actions here. We could add a time entry or download it. That's doc type filters here, but then I could open up a document this way. That's how Clio wants you to do it now. And then again, if you save changes, then active view. So I'm not sure what we need to do to be able, I'm sure there's a setting in Word or something like that to be able to save.